So just taking a quick look at Ethereum on the daily time frame here. As you can see, it's looking like it's just continuing to move to the upside completely with no signs of stopping whatsoever at the minute. We've basically had this continuous, almost parabolic move down to the upside for Ethereum. You can see on the hourly time frame just how much we have just been mooning ever since really we came down and it kind of back tested this clean area of, we kind of came into a bit of a range in this area, going sideways a bit. We got the breakout, we came back down and retested the low, and then since then we've just been up only mission really. As you can see, ever since the ETFs were approved as well, we've basically been seeing some really aggressive price action for Ethereum, continuously heading to the upside. As you can see here, this is pretty wild on the hourly time frame, just been riding this moving average all the way up continuously, and looking like, even though we've got quite extended right now, there's no real signs of slowing down at all. The daily time frame looks like a complete parabolic move right now. You can see the RSI just increasing and increasing into overbought territory. We're around 86 on the overbought scale, which is pretty wild. And you can see here, as I said in the previous video, if we do make our way past that 0.78 Fibonacci and this last level of resistance, there's not really any resistance between here and the all-time high, which is what I said in yesterday's video as well. And right now really looking like the moon is just going to continue for Ethereum. Obviously at any point we could have a pullback for Bitcoin, which would pull back ETH and the rest of the market as well. And we are looking very parabolic, so always keep in mind that big pullbacks are possible when you have these big moves to the upside. But right now looking like really nothing is standing in the way of Ethereum, just heading up towards its all-time high here. Not really any resistance left back here at all. A little bit of chop in this area, but right now looking very strong. The demand is super high, and yeah, let's see what happens going into the halving.